Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to log in to your Amazon Chase credit card account online. This is essential for managing your account, checking your balance, reviewing transactions, and making payments directly from your computer. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to chase.com. Simply type that into your address bar and hit enter. This will take you to the Chase homepage where you can access all of their banking and credit card services. The page should load within a few seconds, and you'll see the main Chase website with various options for different account types. Once you're on the Chase homepage, look over to the right panel of the screen. This is where the login section is located, and it's designed to make signing in quick and straightforward. In that right panel, you'll see a field asking for your username. Click on that field and type in your Chase username. This is the username you created when you first set up your online account, so make sure you're entering it exactly as you registered it. After entering your username, move down to the next field where you'll need to enter your password. Click on the password field and carefully type in your password. Remember that passwords are case sensitive, so double check that your caps lock isn't accidentally on and that you're using the correct combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. This step is crucial for keeping your account secure, so take your time to ensure accuracy. Now that both your username and password are entered, you're ready to access your account. Look for the button labeled Sign In and click on it. This will submit your credentials and begin the login process. The page may take a moment to load as it verifies your information and connects you to your account dashboard. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be taken to your Chase account overview page. From here, you can view all your Amazon Chase credit card details, including your current balance, recent transactions, available credit, and payment options. You'll also have access to statements, rewards information, and various account management tools. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into your Amazon Chase credit card account online. This gives you complete control over your account management right from your browser, making it easy to stay on top of your finances. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.